I'm going to be working with cords for this video. To begin, you will have 3 sections, one on the left, one on the right and one in the centre. To make a basic braid, you want to move one of the outside sections into the centre each time. So you start with this one on the outside and move it to the centre. And then you want to work from the other side and move this one to the centre. And each time you want to switch the cord or section that you move into the centre. And these are the 2 steps that you'll repeat all the way down until you've got the braid as long as you want it.